Hey guys, excuse me. This is a video about the computer I just finished building. Actually, I didn't finish building it. It was built about a year ago, and I had to replace the motherboard. I want to tell you about it. It's got a Kingston 240GB SSD. It was about, I think I got them there about $25. You can find a deal on them. That's just an example of the correct SSD that I used. And I know there's other more powerful SSDs that are maybe faster, but that was the single most improvement to the speed of my computer. I think my boot time was almost 2 minutes without it, and then it went down to about 38 seconds with the Kingston SSD. It's cooler looking, it's more reliable, it's a solid state drive, so that's pretty cool. So I have one of those. I bought a ATX case from eBay, I think for $20 or $25. They're pretty cool. You know, you can get a good case for $20 or $100, whatever you want to do. There's some neon lights and stuff. Just be sure they come with the fans, you know, because that's kind of important. You don't want to have to buy fans. This is the motherboard I'm using. It's a Biostar TA970 socket AM3 Plus. I think Biostar is a good brand. I had a Gigabyte 970 in here before, and the 4-pin power connector fried, so I had to buy this Biostar. I think I got it for about $50. There's one, $50, free shipping, the Biostar AMD 970 motherboard. There's also other motherboard brands that are at 970, including Gigabyte, MSI, Asus, just some other manufacturers. Gigabyte is pretty popular. I kind of like Biostar and Elite and MSI. Epix is a good one too. Foxconn was one back in the old day, but nevertheless, I just want you to know this PC is quick, it's fast, it's responsive, it doesn't lag. It's got good click speed. It's pretty neat. So that's the motherboard I used. Mine was yellow, but yeah, it's the same one. It does have dual crossfire support, so you can put two video drivers in there. I bought the AMD HD 6350, and you can get those for about $5 on eBay. Let's see here. And it's not all the gaming and stuff that I was interested in doing. There's one for $4.99. It's got 512 megs. So I bought two of those, and I run them in crossfire mode, which does all the graphics needs I need. Doesn't lag. You know, it's probably the next best thing to an AMD Ryzen. So I forgot to add that video card and add it on there. So we talked about the motherboard, the ATX case, the Kingston SSD. I have 4 gigs of DDR3 2100 megahertz. I think all I could find in here was the 4 gig 1600 or 1866 megahertz. Would be just fine, but no, mine is the exact memory except for it is 21 megahertz. And then, you know, it works well. I don't think I have too little memory. Memory is not that real big of a thing. I think processor gigahertz is more affects your computer speed than anything else. This is the processor I'm using. It's an AMD FX 8350 8-core. You can find them. There's one for $76. There's one $50 to $109. But needless to say, you can pick one up for $100. There's one for $80. I'm not too big on new or used. It doesn't really matter to me. So it's a pretty bad processor. It's pretty neat. It's 8 cores. It's 4 gigahertz. It works really well. And this is the power supply I recommend. It's an Piva ATX RP500W. Now, it's not like heavy duty like Dell or HP or anything. It's kind of lightweight, but it's a good product. It works, and most importantly, it has all the cables and wires you'll need for the Biostar TA970, like your 4-pin power connector. It's got one of those. It has a 24-pin you know, mainboard connector, which on the Raptor is a 20+4, and also the 20+4, and it also has the 4-pin for the PC board. That's a 12-volt, and then it's got a few SATAs, some OX. It's pretty neat. You can also use that power supply if you have crossfire support for some GPUs that use 6-pin or something like that. $20, it's pretty good. So. And basically that sums up my computer. It's very fast, it clicks. You know, I don't get any lag, and I'm really happy with it. So I just wanted to share it with you. If you guys get a computer, if you need consoles, want to talk, or want to make a video for you, please let me know. Peace out.